Quality of olive is like the quality of a banana. You know, when you have a banana is nice and yellow and ripe. Tastes great, then it goes from yellow and ripe and perfect to kind of spotted brown spotted. And then the banana goes from brown spotted to dark brown, and as it moves from those stages, the quality deteriorates. Well, folks, the olives are exactly the same. When that olive hits its peak, nice and green and ripe, that's the time you want the olive oil producer to pick that olive and make olive oil. When it goes to spotted brown, it's deteriorating in quality, and then when it goes to all brown or black, it's even lower quality. So when it's green and they make the olive oil, you're going to have a more pungent olive oil, a peppery. When you taste it in that real strong peppery taste, you have a good concentration of aromas. The greatest concentration of aromas with that green olive, you also have the highest level of health benefits. So you're looking at benefits like antioxidants and nutrients, heart healthy. All the benefits are packed into that particular green olive. The issue is for the producers, you have less of a yield. When you squeeze that green, all of you get less juice, less oil out of it, so you have a less yield. And because of that less yield, it drives up the price. So that's one of the reasons why some olive oils are pricier than others. So that's the green olive oil. Now when you work your way over to, let's say, the black olives, well, the producers like the black olives because they get a lot more oil from it. But you know what, folks, you lose the quality, you lose the health benefits, you still have some, but not as much as the green. Okay, so you're deteriorating in quality or deteriorating in health benefits. So there's less nutrients and it has a blander, more neutral taste. Because they get a higher yield, it's less expensive. But understand you're getting a poor quality olive oil.